Are you falling behind your competitors by not harnessing the full potential of drone technology? Do you want to stay ahead of the curve, increase efficiency in your operations, and save costs simultaneously? Look no further than Dronestitute, your trusted partner in professional drone training and Part 107 certification. In today's fast-paced business world, innovation is key to staying ahead of the competition. Companies are constantly looking for new technologies to give them an edge, and drones are no exception. By not using drones for data collection and asset management, companies are missing out on many of the benefits this technology has to offer. At the same time, outsourcing every portion of drone work possible to third-party contractors is very expensive. Many companies don't realize that their current employees are capable of performing a large amount of data collection and asset management operations with minimal training. When everything is outsourced, you lose out on cheaper labor costs and the opportunities for your employees to grow and advance within your company. Drones are a powerful tool that can help your company save on safety costs, reduce accidents, and perform data collection much faster than traditional methods. Plus, drones can even open up new service lines for your business, allowing you to expand your offerings and stay ahead of the competition. By building up your current employees with drone training, you can provide valuable growth opportunities for your team while also saving on outsourcing costs. Your employees can learn to perform a variety of drone operations, helping your company become even more efficient and cost-effective. Our team offers customized in-person drone training workshops that can be completed in as little as 4 days. We come to your side, allowing your team to continue working as usual while receiving valuable training. During the course, your team will receive flight training and practice for all operator students, allowing them to not only become licensed, but be trained on essential drone flight maneuvers as well. We ensure that every member of your team is trained to the highest standards so you can get the most out of your drone operations. Take advantage of drone technology and revolutionize the way you do business. Fill out the contact form below to schedule a drone training consultation and start taking advantage of this valuable technology today.